In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel pending orders on Trading 212. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, knowing how to effectively manage your pending orders is crucial in navigating your investments. Now, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to go to your internet browser and navigate to apptrading212.com. Once you're there, you'll see the login page for Trading 212. Go ahead and enter your login credentials. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, remember to have your phone or security key handy to complete the process. Inputting your details will bring you to your account dashboard, where you manage your portfolio and place trades. After logging in, direct your attention to the top of the screen, where you'll see several icons. Look for the pie icon, which represents your investment pies, a feature that helps you organize and manage multiple strategies easily. Click that icon. It's a nifty tool to have, especially if you're balancing multiple portfolios. Now, on the left-hand side of the page, you'll see a navigation menu where you can access different components of the Trading 212 platform. Scroll through this menu. As you scroll, observe the different categories like account details, history, and your various market holdings. What you're looking for here is the section labeled Pending Orders. Once you arrive at the Pending Orders section, take a moment to review the list. Here, you'll be able to see all your pending transactions. These may include buy or sell orders that have not yet been executed. It's important to regularly check this section, as market conditions can change and you might want to update or cancel orders based on your updated investment strategy. To proceed with canceling, find the specific pending order you wish to cancel. This might require you to take a closer look at the date and time, the type of order, and the amount involved to ensure you're selecting the correct one. After selecting the pending order, locate the small X button on the right side of that order. This button is your direct link to canceling the order. Click on it to initiate the cancellation process. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to cancel the order. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental cancellations, as decisions here could impact your trading strategy. If you're sure, click on Cancel. And there you go, your pending order has been successfully canceled. It's a straightforward process, but it's always good to familiarize yourself with these tools, ensuring you have complete control over your trading actions. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials.